leaks. Approach the vehicle. Look for puddles or dripping fluid on the ground under the engine or the underside of the engine and transmission. Check your front lights and reflectors. They are clean, not missing, broken, and proper color. Want to check your clearance lights up top up there. Walk around to your exhaust system. Exhaust system. Connected tightly, mounted securely, no loose clamps. Check for damage, signs of leaking, such as rust or carbon soot. Have no cracks, holes, or severe dents. From your exhaust pipe, you're going to follow that up to your turbo. Turbo securely mounted, not leaking, no missing or loose clamps. From your turbo, you want to go to your alternator. Your alternator securely mounted. All wires are tightly fastened. All wires are securely fastened. It is belt driven. Belt is not frayed, no visible cracks, loose fibers, or signs of wear. Push belt. Belt should not move, should not deflect more than 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. It would be excessive. Belt is snugged. Down to your water pump.
You know what I mean?
Mounted properly, not loose, not leaking. Applicant identify the water pump as gear driven or belt driven. It is belt driven. What's going on, Mr. Joe? If the belt is not frayed, no cracks, no loose fibers, and signs of wear. Push belt with hand. It should not deflect more than 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. It's excessive. Belt is snugged. Check coolant to be at adequate level. That's your coolant pump right there.